How to use HBO Max offline. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use HBO Max offline. Now, to use HBO Max offline, you need to download content on a supported device or supported mobile device, phone or tablet, while you have an internet connection, and then you could watch it later without Wi-Fi. So in order to do this, you want to make sure you already have a subscription or that you have a paid version of it. Now then, open the HBO Max app on your phone or a tablet and sign in. Next, you just want to search for a show or movie that you want to download, or find it by browsing the home screen. Next, you want to select the download icon, a downward pointing arrow that appears on the title's detail page. A download process will show the status. Then you want to access your download. That is, once downloaded, you want to go to the download section, which is often represented by a download icon, and watch your content as well. So this way you should be able to use HBO Max offline. However, you have to actually pre-design, or you have to actually do this beforehand. That means you have to make sure to select the device, movies or TV show that you want to download. Only then you'll be able to watch it offline. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.